Hi, hello, and welcome back to my channel, Div's Home Studio. I hope you all are doing well, and the summer's already there, so I keep switching my places because everywhere it seems to be very hot. So again, I'm back into my another room where the AC is really okay. So we're going to do a makeup tutorial today, and I'm going to do it from one brand makeup tutorial because it's been a long time. I felt like I haven't done a proper makeup tutorial in my channel, and I think I have already done a makeup tutorial on this brand. If I'm not sure, do check it out in my description box. I will link it. And again, see, when it comes to a one brand tutorial, I need a sufficient amount of products from the same brand, but that doesn't really work always because I pick up products from different brands where I really love and which I really love, and I don't really pick products which I'm not really satisfied with one brand. So finally, I think I have a pretty decent amount of products with me today from that brand. So I thought, why not create a super duper simple yet glam makeup look from this brand. Okay, from the title you must have guessed it out. It is, yes, it is going to be the Maybelline New York one brand makeup tutorial today. And Maybelline is a well-known brand, and they actually are having circulating products around 130 countries in the world. And again, coming to their availability and affordability is the very impressive thing about Maybelline. So I'm damn love with that. And recently I have uploaded a video on the Maybelline Fit Me primer. Do check it out. It's a dewy smooth primer which was recently launched, and I will surely give the link in the description box below. Do check that out. Video would surely be helpful for you. So with the products with me, I don't know, and I'm not sure about what makeup look I'm going to create, but I'm finally set up with all the products what I have from Maybelline, and let's see what to create. And it's going to be very subtle and very bronzy kind of look because I have products only of that kind of color tones. So I don't think you can create anything colorful because I don't have anything colorful with me here. So according to that, we are going to fix the look. Okay, I have already moisturized my skin, and so I'm going to prime my face with the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Normal 2 Dry Primer. If you want to know more about this product, I have done a video specially for this product. You can just check my description box below, and do let me know how the review was, and if it is useful to you, let me know that too. So I'm going to prime my face. I'm going to use this very hydrating. So I'm going to prime my face using this Maybelline Fit Me primer. So I'm going to use it. I'm not going to massage this. I'm just going to dab this around the areas where I really want my makeup to stay on. And so it's going to be here on the cheeks and a little bit on the nose and forehead. It is not a silicone based primer. It is not a heavy primer, though it is for normal to dry skin. It's very hydrating. It gives a very smooth and dewy finish. At the same time, it is not sticky. It is not this kind of plasticky silicone based primer. So I really love the way it looks and settles on my skin. So let's move on to the foundation. Okay, I think I have spoke about Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the number 330 Toffee, and this is my new addition to my vanity is this Maybelline Fit Me 340 Cappuccino. If I could say you, if both are not a perfect match to my skin because I am on the neutral undertone, whereas though 330 Toffee is a neutral undertone, is quite lighter to my skin. When I took up on Cappuccino 340, this is kind of very orangish undertone, and it gives me kind of yellow and orange undertone. That is a warm undertone. This doesn't really get along so well to me. So today I'm going to mix up both of these and use that, so that I don't know if I could really get that look, but let's see. So my Maybelline Fit Me 330 Toffee is a very old foundation, so it doesn't come with a pump. So I'm going to take this on my I have taken up on two of this foundations. I'm just gonna mix this both because both are not my perfect match. So I'm just gonna mix to reduce that orange undertone from 340. So I'm gonna take a very nice fluffy kabuki brush. I'm gonna just use this for applying my foundation. Okay, I think this is kind of better than the just the 341. And when it comes to Maybelline Fit Me, though it says it's a matte foundation, actually it doesn't really dry. If you want to really know how the foundation feels, is that it is a mattifying foundation, but yet it doesn't give that dry patch. It really, you know, absorbs into the skin and gives that very nice glow, though it is not dewy. And at the same time, the foundation is sheer to medium coverage. It doesn't give full coverage. As you can still see, there are blemishes here and around my nose and around the eyes. So all this is not going to be not going to get covered because this is a very medium coverage foundation. And of course, when it comes to shade, if you are NC45 shade, then surely you would really have little problem, because if you are cool tone, then 340 won't work. If you are warm tone, then you 330 won't work. So you will really have that little difficulties in finding the right shade, but you can mix and match to get something which really goes well with your skin. And I think it's done justice to my skin. I don't really have any product in my vanity which has really I have completed till this point, because I have used this concealer so very much in almost every makeup tutorial of mine. I think this is my recent favorite from Maybelline Fit Me. This is 50 Cafe, and it just looks so well on my skin. I think I don't really need any foundation, nothing at all. After the Wet n Wild Dark Cocoa, this is the best ever concealer which I tried out on my skin, and it really blends so well, just like Dream. And it's a perfect shade match to mine, and it's not a highlighting concealer. It's just perfect on my skin tone. Maybe it looks a tad lighter when you see it on the camera, but on real it's just perfect. There's no words actually to mention about the shade. This is a perfect ever shade I have used, and this is one of the best ever blending concealer which I have used. This blends just like Dream and doesn't leave any residues, nothing at all. So I'm just going to blend this out. Okay, I do have the Maybelline Fit Me matte poreless powder, and it's in the shade Sun Beige, or I'm not sure about the shade, but this is not exactly 330 because I did not get 330 when I bought this product. So this is what it looks like, and this is the shade. So this is actually very light beige, very light to me, but it doesn't show any difference of like being on the lighter, as you can see it just goes so well. And let me see how it looks. See, it's pretty much good, and recently it's available in shade 330. You can surely check that out. So I'm going to just work with this. It's just settled down and so well on my skin, and it really looks that even toned finish. And let's move on to the next product. I do have an eyebrow pencil from Maybelline New York, and this is a fashion brow cream pencil. I think it's in the shade gray. I don't know how it's going to look. So I don't have any other eyebrow pencil or eyebrow product from Maybelline. Let's work with this. So I'm going I'm having their Maybelline Nudes palette. This is a very old palette. I think I got it in the year 19, and it's supposed to get expired now. I really got this palette because it's so neutral and like there's literally nothing which can show off on my skin. There's black, there's like two browns, and that's it. If you're asking me to swatch this out, I don't think you can see anything here. See, this is one shade. It's literally invisible, and there's another shade which I don't think will really work on my skin at all. This is a second shade, and I have a third shade which is literally ashy black kind of color, and then do I have a nice matte black, and can you see that? It's pigmented, of course, and these are the only matte shades which is available in this palette. And okay, so let's do the other. I have finished the look and I'm not really very happy, but with the color shades what we had, I don't think we do have any other option. For I don't have any mascara with me from Maybelline, but I do have a couple of eye products. I do have the gel liner, and this is the Maybelline gel liner. I have not used this at all. I really forgot about that I have this product. So then I do have the Maybelline Colossal Bold Liner. This is how it looks. I've used this many a times if you would have seen my videos, so I'm pretty comfortable with the liner than the gel, because even today I'm going to use the eyeliner on the. It's a pretty decent and very nice matte eyeliner. I love the way it looks. Let me finish the other eye quickly and come back. So I'm done with the liner and I have winged it out, and I'm going to use the the gel liner to line my lower lash line. So here it is, the Maybelline gel liner. So I'm going to dip this in and use this on the lower lash line, and let's see how it really looks. It just gives that instant drama. If you could see, the pigmentation of the product is really awesome. I love the way it looks on my eyes, and I just use the gel liner to my lower lash line, and it really gives that pretty good dramatic effect on the eyes. I love the way it looked, and somewhat I think we completed the eye look. So the face looks really plain, and just we're going to use the Maybelline Color Show blush in the shade Peachy Sweet, and this is how it looks. And this is a light shimmery kind of blush. This is not an exact matte blush, so I'm just going to use a little bit. It just gives that very nice natural flush. Wow, look at the difference. Can you see that? And it just gives that highlighting shine along with the blush, and I love that about that. We're going to use the eyeshadow palette again for highlighting our highlighting points, and we're going to contour using the same palette because we have a lot of browns in it. So it's going to work a very nice contour. And let's take a fresh fluffy brush, and I'm going to go to this deep brown here and just take a little bit. I'm going to dab extras and contour my nose first. Take a little bit more. I think pretty much you could see that contour where I've given. I'm gonna contour a little bit over here too. I'm gonna take a nice fluffy brush and pick this shade right here, and this is a highlighting shade, and just take the extras, dab it. I'm gonna first apply it on my nose so that you can see how really it looks like a highlighter. Look at that. So next, go to this side. So after the lashes, this is how the eye makeup looks like. So let's move on to our lips. I do have a pretty decent number of lip collection, wherein I have the creamy matte in 3 shades. The one is the Neo Nuance 657, and this is how it looks like. It's a very nice nude shade, and I have another creamy matte shade burgundy blush, and this is how it looks. This is my favorite lipstick, and I do have. I'm gonna line this lips with the burgundy and just like contouring. So I'm gonna use the nude to fill the lips. Look at that, wow. And this is of course transferable, and it doesn't stay really long if you have a meal or drink water. But otherwise, this is a very stunning and very good buttery lipstick, bullet lipstick. I love this. And this is a finished look of the Maybelline New York One Brand makeup tutorial. I think I love this look. When I started creating this look, I did not feel that it is going to give this really good result, because we didn't really have good colors to play with when it came to the eyeshadow. Again, I didn't have mascara, I didn't have kajal, I didn't have highlighter, and I really enjoyed doing this makeup tutorial. I hope you too have done. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and give that big thumbs up if you like my videos, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos on my channel. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye from Tokyo.